Someone's asking, can you do LabVIEW again? Yeah, we can. If you pay for the license is extremely expensive. Yeah, we always have a special space in our heart for LabVIEW. The other thing, I don't think you can do AI in LabVIEW. You obviously use it because you have a specific hardware. I have some hardware sitting around. I think the company got acquired or something. So, but yeah, if any of these AI models can do LabVIEW, I'm not sure they can. We're actually trying to replace LabVIEW. Flowchart, this one. Yeah, this is your LabVIEW. We got our own LabVIEW inside the JavaScript. All the code is on the page. Yeah, you can add an input, yeah, and do that kind of stuff. The stuff that you can do in LabVIEW. And the good thing about it, if you refresh the page, that it will generate Python code for you. Yeah, it's not complete, obviously. So essentially, no, because of the license cost, we are not doing LabVIEW anymore. And because it doesn't have AI capabilities, I don't think. Have you ever heard of LabVIEW?
Yeah, I'm familiar with LabVIEW. It's a system design platform and development environment from National Instruments. What do you want to know about it?
Which one I should be using, Python or LabVIEW?
It depends on your needs. LabVIEW is great for hardware interfacing and graphical programming. Python is more versatile for general programming and has a huge library ecosystem. What are you planning to do?
How about license-wise?
LabVIEW usually requires a paid license, while Python is open source and free. If budget is a concern, Python might be the way to go.
Yeah, budget is always a concern. How about AI compatibility or features?
Python has extensive libraries for AI and machine learning, like TensorFlow and PyTorch. LabVIEW does have AI capabilities, but isn't as comprehensive as Python.
Yeah, I think we might leave it at that. And I guess you will only use LabVIEW if you have the National Instruments hardware, which is, again, super expensive. Yeah, I have an older version of something, but yeah, I'm not sure if it's of any interest anymore, as opposed to PCA analysis. So PCA analysis is much more interesting. Trust me, I'm an engineer, and we have this mockup. So we're doing different facial expressions. It's setting it as an eigenvector. We essentially can change the features of that expression.